Imagine if you could make enough money in the next 60 to 90 days to never be late on another bill ever again. Imagine never having to put groceries back ever again, and never having to check your bank account to decide what's getting paid this month. I used to be stressed, overwhelmed, and seriously concerned about my family's financial situation. My husband's salary wasn't enough to even cover all our basic bills. I needed a way to generate an income from home. A lot of things I tried, like affiliate marketing, MLMs, selling books on Amazon, just didn't quite check all the boxes for me. So, when I discovered this blueprint that allowed me to follow a proven step-by-step automated system, work 2 hours a day, requiring zero tech skills, low upfront investment, and no monthly recurring fees, plus I keep 100% of my profits and receive my pay the same day, this was a game changer for me. Now I'm starting a movement to help you change your situation and build a life you love. If you are looking for a way to make more money, eliminate financial stress and suffering, build generational wealth, and ultimately create quality experiences with those you love, put ready in the comments. I would absolutely love to share it with you.